So we just saw the complete wave, so now we are going to cut it in two parts. The chest part and the hip part. So you can cut the wave with just the chest and you go just in front and come back, and with just the hip you go to the back and come back. I'm gonna explain. So first, with the chest you go in front. So you just push the chest in front, not up, but just in front, a little bit. And then you go up to go in. Okay, so you don't use the hip part. And after, you just practice the first part with the chest. So you contract the hip to do not do wave. You just contract the chest part and you play with it. And then just the hip. So you go just in, like you contract this part of the abs to go in with the hip and not contract the bottom. So you just contract the abs here and push the weight to the back, then cross a little bit and come back. Okay? In, out, come back. In, out, come back. In, out, cross, come back. In, out, cross, come back. Okay, so you just do an isolation with the two parts. So first, you do on 2 times. 2 times chest, 2 times hip. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then the hip, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. One more time, that way. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let's practice this in music. First, we just train just the chest, okay? 2 times for the chest.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.